Attention chefs. What if you had enough passive income to replace your whole entire salary? No hot kitchens, no stress, no worries. In this video, we're gonna see how much of QQQI we will need in order to replace a chef's salary. This is pure math. So let's start with the salaries. The entry-level salary for a chef is $35,000 a year. The median salary for a chef is $57,000 a year. And the peak salary for a chef is $82,000 a year. All right, so let's get to the figures. In order to replace the entry-level salary of a chef, we would need to take $35,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $250,000 worth of QQQI. All right, so let's start with the median salary. So in order to replace the median salary of a chef, we would need to take $57,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $407,000 worth of QQQI. Last but not least, the peak salary. So in order to replace the peak salary, we will have to take $82,000 a year and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $585,000 worth of QQQI. All right, guys, let's do a brief overview of the QQQI figures. Entry-level salary, $250K worth of QQQI. Median salary, $407K worth of QQQI. And last but not least, the peak salary, $585K worth of QQQI. Chefs are very creative and skilled, but just like any other occupation, they trade their time in for money. Ask yourself this question. Do you want to keep trading your time in for money, or do you want to have passive income to become financially free and have more time to do what you love? This video is scenario based. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational purposes, so always do your own due diligence. And one more thing, QQQI is a great investment in my opinion, but it also holds risk. The NAV can erode, the dividend can decline, and we can also go through dividend cuts. So nothing is guaranteed, and never put all of your eggs in one basket. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when my next videos will pop up. All right, guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.